Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at ONDS. This is of course Ondas Holdings. This stock today is down by 12.5% and in the after hours down by a further 6.1%. We're going to be speaking about this over the course of tonight's filming. I'll be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions. If you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. But as always, remember, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now again, this stock has been dropping quite a bit at the moment. We are coming close to levels to watch out for, in my opinion. You know, we've blasted below levels of support that we were looking at around 580. The question is now, do we see numbers just below hold? I'm looking at 520, I'm looking at 525. Of course, I am looking down, given the after hours drop that we've seen, to numbers such as the 490 mark. If you drop below 490, guys, it's 480 from there, and then I'm looking at numbers such as 470. Given everything, the RSI is very low, but of course not into the oversold yet. Could potentially be more room to go to the downside here. Again, do pay attention to that 490 as a potential hold. If you do not see that, we could be looking, of course, at levels quite a bit lower. Now, if we are to see any green, my simple objective is this: we need to see a push above a few key levels. Most notably from here, being as we have dropped in the after hours, it's $5. Push $5, and I'm going to be looking at 530. Push 530, it's 550, and break above that, guys, it could be numbers as high as $6. That's what I'm looking for into the next couple of weeks. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you, goodbye.